Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the background on Picsart. This is a useful feature if you want to create a cleaner edit and make profile pictures stand out or place a subject onto a different background. So the process is quick and easy, so let's get started. So before anything else, make sure you have Picsart installed on your phone. You can download it from the App Store or Play Store, and if you do not already have it, and once the app is ready, open it up and tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen to start a new project. Next, choose the image that you want to edit. You can browse through the available backgrounds, so use the search feature to find a photo or select any image that you would like to remove the background from. And then after choosing your picture, it will open in the editor. And when you are on the editing screen, look through the tools menu near the bottom and find the remove background option. So just keep in mind that this feature is available with Picsart Pro. So tap on it and Picsart will automatically detect the subject and remove the background in just a few seconds. So after the background is removed, you can customize the image however you like. So for example, you can add a plain color background such as white, gray, or black. You can also explore different styles, patterns, and themed backgrounds to match the look that you want. So this is a great way to make sure that your edits looks more professional and creative. And once you are happy with the results, save your image, and then depending on the features that you use, a Picsart subscription may be required to download or save certain edits. And that is how you remove a background on Picsart. It only takes a few steps and can make a big difference in your photos. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.